Are we live? Hold on. Are we live? Stream health. Fine. Yeah, we are live. All right. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to my stream. If you are new to my stream, my name is Abhishek Sharma, and I'm trying to build a SaaS. And this is day 25 of that. So if you enjoyed the stream, do consider subscribing to this channel and drop a like. So let's get started now. Just a sec. Okay. So first, there we go. Let's. I need to start my Docker first. Just a sec. Just a sec, guys. Hold on. I come here. Yeah. All right. So first, I need to start my Docker. Tap Fusion. Hi, I'm First. Hello, Tap Fusion. Welcome back to the stream. Dumb Bias Day. Hello there. Hello, Dumb Bias Day. Welcome to the stream. Atharva Pathak. Hello. Hello, Atharva Pathak. Welcome to the stream. Sandesh. Lol, I got first. Hello, Sandesh. Welcome to the stream. Atharva. Hello. Hello. Okay, so this is running. Now if I go to टैप फ्यूजन भाई आज का दिन कैसा गया हाँ दिन तो अच्छा था तुम्हारा दिन कैसा गया आज का सो फर्स्ट आई नीड टू स्टार्ट माय कमांड प्रॉम्प्ट एंड ओके दिस docker ps-a docker start Redis server. Okay, so Redis has started. Now if I come here and in my first I need to go inside my backend, cd backend npm run dev. बहुत अच्छा क्योंकि आज मुझे फोन मिल गया. Oh, that's nice. I like आपको फोन गिफ्ट में मिला है. cd backend npm run worker dev. Okay, no space. Sandesh, bro, is it good only if I only learn GitHub action for CI/CD, or does this market has Jenkins mandatory kind of thing? No, you can go with GitHub actions, but with GitHub actions, if you want to go with a private repository, then you have to pay. But for public repository, it is free. टैप फ्यूजन हाँ भाई घर वालों ने बोला 12 हो गया है अब कॉलेज के लिए तो चाहिए ही होगा इसलिए दे दिया. ओ कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन टैप फ्यूजन सही है सर. सिर्फ आपका फैन. हेलो सिर्फ आपका फैन. वेलकम टू द स्ट्रीम. नोट के जगह बन यूज करो अच्छा है. लाइक बन करेंगे फ्यूचर में. अभी तो नोट से हाथ सेट हो गया है. npm dev. So yeah, we have this. Now if we go and localhost 3000, we have this now and login testuser2@gmail.com testuser2 login. Okay, so you have this okay, this active flow plan. Okay, now if I come here, okay, we have to fix that one. Okay, so okay, so first thing was that my link were not getting generated, right? So first we'll go to pgadmin4 and open Excalidraw. Refactor public booking page. This is done. Okay, so this is done. Okay, so we have this. Fine. Backend front end this. Okay, now if first, see, the thing is actually that Google Meet link, it got expired, so we have to configure that, we have to add that refresh part also. Okay, we have this booking, and yeah, in this booking we need meeting link. Okay, fine, delete this booking. Booking. Okay, in payment part, public booking payment, delete this. And if I go to booking, delete this. Okay, booking has been deleted, and booking, no booking, fine, and payment. Okay, fine, have this. Okay, so now I need to check, for example, if this is service organization. Let's go with organization 2 only, and in services we have this online, and this is my offline. Let's make this active, and if we go here, copy this, come here. Okay, टैप फ्यूजन 30K का लिया है, अब अपनी इनकम से ही महंगा वाला लूंगा. ओके, नाइस. टैप फ्यूजन. Sandesh, bro, I have my interview scheduled for tomorrow. Some suggestion for making a good impression. Be confident, be very confident, and whatever they are asking, they like, make sure whatever you have mentioned in resume, you know those things properly. Atharva, bhaiya, is it necessary to revise what we actually learn in lectures? Like lectures, if you are you talking about normal subjects or you're talking about programming? ओके, भैया बैकएंड याद रखने में टफ लग रहा है. बैकएंड याद करने की कोशिश, डोंट ट्राई टू लर्न इट, डोंट ट्राई टू मग इट अप, like don't try to mug it up, just try to understand the flow. What's your processor? It's Intel Core i5. पहले मैं .NET में था, देन नोड में, देन बन द एक्सप्रेस एंड नेक्स्ट. बहुत टेक स्टैक चेंज किया, कुछ मल्टी टेक स्टैक अपनी माइक्रो का प्लान्स है, वो शायद जेडबल सीक्रेट का वेरीफाई होना चाहिए. ओके, हिडन handle, hello hidden handle. Hey man, was actually waiting for your live. Oh, thanks hidden handle, welcome to the stream. Programming, see, programming is like a language, like whatever language you are learning, you have to practice it by coding. So once your MVP is done, after that you won't live code. And for this SaaS project, once the MVP is done, then I will not show the like whatever we are doing after that, because it's a SaaS and it's a business. I cannot show the code openly once the MVP is done. But I will be doing live streams where I will be, building something else or trying to learn something else. Like I'll be showing what I'm doing. Okay, अथर्व, i5 इतना सारा कोडिंग हैंडल कर लेता है स्मूथली? हाँ, इंटेल कोर i5 कर लेता है. आदित्य, कीप गोइंग. हेलो आदित्य, वेलकम टू द स्ट्रीम. ओके, सो लोकल 3000 slash booking this. Okay, so for offline session, we have this offline session first. Okay, then let's go for 18th, let's go for 17th, and let's go for 3 p.m. Let's go for Abhishek Sharma. Then we have abhi10sharma@gmail.com, and let's do confirm and pay. Then we have this UPI was success@razorpay. Verify and pay. Ayn Khan, hi. Hello Ayn Khan, welcome back to the stream. So payment is getting confirmed, payment done, and redirect what we get. Okay, just a sec. Now if I come here, go to bookings, yeah, we got the booking, and I need to see if I'm getting the email. Just a sec. If I go here and if I go to Gmail, And just a sec, guys. Gmail is taking time to load. What the hell is this? इतना net में इतना slow speed. Okay, we are getting the email. So email is not an issue. So here you can see that we are getting the email, right? We are getting the email, and we also need to pass the location and all. Tap Fusion. भाई मैं भूल गया था कॉन्ग्रेचुलेट फॉर 3K सब्सक्राइबर्स और आज खाने में क्या बना था. हेलो टैप फ्यूजन, वेलकम टू द स्ट्रीम. लाइक थैंक यू फॉर द कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस. एंड खाने में तो आज मैंने तड़का रोटी और ऑमलेट खाया है. बिल साल 18. How many language you have worked till now? I worked with Python, Java, JavaScript, TypeScript. Yeah, okay. So do you have like a goal to daily stream till 100 days of something? No, nothing like a goal. I actually enjoy coming, doing live streams and showing what I'm building. If I'm trying to learn something, how I'm learning. So yeah, disciplined. Help me, I want to learn Python. Nothing, no, about instant print. And there's this YouTube channel called Chai Code. You can learn Python from there. सर आप API hosting कहाँ करने का प्लान है? और डिजिटल ओशन AI. ओके. NG Tantai 10001 AI. ओके, हेल्प मी. ओके. अथर्व, कितने बजे तक करोगे कोडिंग? वो तो डिपेंड करता है. टैप फ्यूजन भाई, कहीं आपको थोड़ा ऑकवर्ड या अजीब तो नहीं लगता जब मैं ऐसा क्वेश्चन? नहीं, ऑकवर्ड क्या है इसमें? रेड जेलो बियर. हेलो रेड जेलो बियर, वेलकम टू द स्ट्रीम. हाँ भाई, कैन यू रिकमेंड मी एनी गुड रिसोर्स और वीडियो और जस्ट ऑथेंटिकेशन ऑथराइजेशन विद OAuth? सी, आई लर्नड OAuth by documentation and by using AI. That's how I learned. I use AI to teach myself as well. Hidden, how did you build this consistency, yaar? That's like half the battle of life. Yeah, see, actually consistency is what you need to master. It's all about discipline. Sandesh, bro, did you felt nervous on the first day of live stream and how did you overcome? I did not feel nervous because to be honest, when I was doing live stream, I did not expect that people will watch it. I was just doing it for myself and so that I can be consistent, and if when my SaaS becomes successful, I can look back to my streams, something like that. भाई आपने अपना PC specs बताओ. Disciplined. Okay, my PC specs are 16 GB RAM, Intel Core i5, Intel Iris Xe graphics and 500 GB SSD. Atharva, is code with Harry Sigma web dev course and Python course good? Python course is good because I have followed it, and Sigma web dev I have not followed. Tap Fusion, अरे नहीं, सबके सब कोडिंग रिलेटेड पूछ रहे हैं चैट में और मैं इधर उधर की बातें कर सकते हो, कोई इशू नहीं है. Hidden handle, how do you build that consistency? It's because I know that results don't come in one night. Well, there's this saying that people say that it's a overnight success. Actually, overnight success does not happen. Behind every overnight success, there's years of consistency. So I know this. So I know that if I just need to be consistent and be disciplined with whatever work I'm doing, and I just need to keep going. That's why I don't think about results too much. I just think about giving my efforts every single day. Hidden handle. Anyway, no more stupid questions. काम कर लो. We'll do 3 hours as well. Okay. Tap Fusion. भाई मेरे लैपटॉप की स्क्रीन में एक तरफ आपकी स्ट्रीम और एक तरफ एड्स आ रहा है, मतलब अभिषेक भाई की जेब भरने. ब्रो, साइबर सिक्योरिटी में जाना है तो पाइथन ज़रूरी है. हेल्प मी, आई एम इन 11th class PCM student. Cyber security. See, actually, I don't have any knowledge, like any basic knowledge of cyber security. I know about simple networking things, but cyber security I don't know much about it. Red Jello Beer, भाई समय का comeback हो गया है. Latent season 2 आएगा. Oh, that's nice. Sandesh, have you used the OAuth frameworks to write code manually? I think it's better to rely on service rather than risking security by manually writing code. Actually, Sandesh, the thing is, if you're a developer, I think OAuth, if you implement it, it's not so complicated. It's simple if you know it well. भाई सच में आपके चैट में ज़्यादातर पढ़े लिखे बंदे हैं और टैलेंटेड हैं. अच्छा, ओके. आई यूज़ लिनक्स एज मेन OS. गेस विच वन? उबंटू और काली? एनीथिंग बिटवीन देम. ईदर यू आर यूजिंग उबंटू और मे बी काली लिनक्स. बॉबी राठौर, हाउ टू स्टार्ट लीड कोड? Pick one programming language, learn that programming language. Then first, before you start solving lead code, pick one topic. For example, if you're doing array, understand the algorithms in array, then try to solve questions. Thank you, bro. Okay. Discipline, Arc Linux. Okay, Arc Linux. Okay, nice. Because most of the people use Ubuntu or Kali Linux, so I thought you are using that as well. Kali for hacking and cybersec. Okay. रश हैकर फुल स्टैक सिखा दो भाई, मेरे को भी सीखना है. मैं एक्चुअली मैं ट्यूटोरियल वगैरह नहीं सिखा रहा हूँ, मैं अपना सिंपल अपना काम करता हूँ और मैं लाइव स्ट्रीम में दिखाता हूँ. सो ट्यूटोरियल तो अभी मैं नहीं बना रहा हूँ. ओके सो ओके we are getting the email, so email is not the issue. The issue is that okay, so first go to backend, src modules, booking, my booking service. This is the booking service. So when create booking, okay, just a sec. This is my create booking part. Okay, fine. Okay, if online, then q dot create queue meeting. This part create queue meeting, and where is my worker email worker, this one. So this is what we are getting, and okay, fine. Okay, this is what we are doing, and in my queues part, my email queue meeting service. Okay, email queue, this is my email queue, and then meeting Google. This is the Google controller, the Google route. This is the Google route. Okay, so what is happening now? If somebody is booking now, if this user books an online session, discipline Kali in VM, I use virtual machine. Okay, nice. Shadow Monarch. Yo, Abhishek, sorry, dude, deeply. No, that's fine. Ibrahim, no issues, man. Just remember what I told, and everything is fine. No issues. टैग फ्यूशन भाई, जब मुझे इन चैट देखकर मोटिवेशन आता है तब फिर भी मोटिवेट हो जाता है चैट से. अच्छा वरी भाई, नो वरी भाई. ओके, I don't know why I've started linking CLI instead of GUI. I don't know if it's the gaze that we feed by seeing the bunch of code stuffs. Yeah, like it's like, you know, seeing a bunch of codes in black, you know, just no GUI, just black screen. It makes you feel productive. आप बेसिकली बन क्या रहे हो भाई, मुझे एक्सप्लेन करो. मैं 21 डे देख रहा हूँ अपने बना क्या. इट्स अ B2B अपॉइंटमेंट बुकिंग SaaS that we are trying to build. Okay, bro, have you wrote the schema? Have you used the backend separately? Bro, you wrote the schema for front end backend separately, or I've created front end and backend schema separately. Ayan Khan, as soon as I hear Kali Linux, I remember my school classmate who keeps bragging about how they use Kali Linux but can't print hello world now. Yeah, actually, most of the people, you know, they blab a lot. इब्राहिम भाई नहीं आए. एक्चुअली शैडो मोनार्क. ओके फाइन. नकुल, विच डेटाबेस यू आर यूजिंग? आई एम यूजिंग PostgreSQL. Ayan Khan, have you purchased the domain? Not yet. Okay, I'm here, bro. Okay, fine. Okay, so for online session, if I book for online session, just a sec. Before, what am I getting? This is the worker part, and this is the, hold on, payment. Where's my payment part? Payment service. I need to verify payment. This one. Just remove this one for now. We don't need this. Okay. Now if I go for this thing, now if I go for an online service, and if I click for 20-second and free, and this is okay, this we have confirm and pay. This is my UPI, and this is success@razorpay, verify and pay. Okay, this is going. this is going. Okay, this is going. We got this. Booking confirmed. Okay, we have this, but we got this error. Fine, got it. Where now we have to fix this. Basically, that OAuth link has expired. We need to create a new one, or maybe we have to add a refresh token part. Discipline. Where are you from, Abhishek? I am from West Bengal, India, Kolkata. टाइप फ्यूजन भाई डोमेन की रेंज कितनी होती है? डोमेन वो डिपेंड करता है कि विच डोमेन यू आर गोइंग फॉर. इफ इट्स अ पॉपुलर और वेरी नाइस डोमेन, इट विल बी अराउंड 3 to 5,000 per year. Okay. Dehradun, Uttarakhand. Okay, disciplined. Welcome to the stream. Hidden handle. Dude, AI is so productive. What Instagram is to socialization gives you an illusion because of which too many people too confident without knowledge. Like Kali Linux. Just a sec. Where did that chat go? The knowledge. Yeah, exactly. Type fusion. I want an. Okay. Disciplined. Okay. If I want. What is two? If I want to become AI ML engineer, then what should have I? Then we should have high IQ and good at math. See, if you want to become an AI ML engineer, high IQ, that is, don't compare yourself with IQ and all those things. Those are just criterias. Don't judge yourself from based on your IQ or anything. You have to have that hunger first. Bring that hunger, then you can learn anything. And math is important. You don't have to be a master in math. Just know basics math like differentiation, partial differentiation, then what is standardization, normalization. You need to understand these things just. Bro, how did you, Sandesh, bro, how did you decide to start building the SaaS? What kind of research you did and what gaps you saw that the SaaS could fill? Actually, I made when I was doing the market research, I did it on stream only. You can go to my YouTube channel, you will see a market research stream there. Shadow Monarch, Kali is just an OS. It's what you do with tools in that OS matters. Exactly, Shadow Monarch. Okay, I do bug bounty. Okay, the tech is never the limitation, but neither we are indecisive to use properly, or the CEOs or tech bros to design the genuine help. Okay. Sandesh, bro, 1K subscriber jump. Continue this, man. Thanks, Sandesh. Disciplined. Okay. Social. Hello, bhaiya. Hello, social butterfly. Welcome back to the stream. Nakul. For database, you have to pay or it's free. Database is free. Okay. ओके भाई टाइप है भाई, आपने चैट जीपीटी का कितना का प्रीमियम? चैट जीपीटी मैं फ्री का यूज़ कर रहा हूँ, मैंने कोई प्रीमियम नहीं लिया है. Social butterfly. When new project starts, I start to see this from few days. I want to see from the starting to understand how to end projects, end-to-end projects build. You can go see. I have made like you can go to day one of this SaaS stream. You can watch. You can start from there. Okay. So just a sec. Now we have this. We have this booking service. Man, the booking.service.ts. Just a sec, guys. Now I have to work. I'll read the chart after a few minutes. This is the booking service. Then this is the booking.controller.ts. Booking.controller.ts. Yep, we have this. Then booking.route. Then we have booking.route.ts. Okay. Then we have booking.schema not required. Okay, booking.route is done. Then we have the email worker, and we have the email.worker.ts. Then we have the email.qe.ts, email.qe.q.ts. Fine. Then we have the Google controller. Then this is the google.controller.ts. page. Okay, hold on. Email queue. We have email queue and email worker. Okay, we have this. Okay, google.controller.ts. We have this here. Then we need, after this we need google.route, obviously google.route.ts. google.route.ts. We have this. Then this part not required. So basically booking service. Okay, now when the meeting is getting booked, I am getting an error and Google Meet link is not getting generated. This is the error. Hold on. Yeah, this one. Let me copy it from. Discipline, bro, explain me API in English. API is like when you go to a restaurant. You go to a restaurant and a waiter comes to you to take your order, right? For example, this is you, this is you, this is you. All right. Then this is the restaurant. This is a restaurant. This is a restaurant. 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 It's a restaurant. Then when you go here, you order food. A waiter comes to you. This is the waiter. A waiter comes to you to ask, sir, what would you like to have? Then you tell, I want to have a cup of coffee. Then waiter comes, goes to the kitchen. This is the background kitchen. This is the kitchen, right? This is the kitchen, and there is a chef, head chef. He is cooking coffee for you. Then waiter goes to the chef. He tells, okay, there is this order, and he wants a coffee. Then chef prepares the coffee, and it gives to waiter, and waiter brings coffee to you, right? So basically API is like this waiter. It takes request from the front end, then it takes that request to the back end, and then we process something, and then its back end sends the response. Then API sends that response back to the front end. And API is like, application programming interface. Okay, Abhishek, call me by name, my real name, no issue, dude. I was just inspired by solo leveling. Okay, nice, Ibrahim. I'll call you Ibrahim only. Ayn Khan. I guess you are too young to understand the meme. It's never about the name, bro. Okay. टैप फ्यूजन भाई वैसे ऑनलाइन और ऑफलाइन दोनों मिला के आप जब तक SaaS ना बन जाए तब तक आप कितना टोटल कॉस्ट लग गया होगा? अभी तक तो एक भी कॉस्ट नहीं लगा. अभी सिर्फ 200 रुपीज़ लगे हैं, वो मुझे रेजर पे का वेरिफिकेशन के लिए. ओके ओके ओके. Use Claude instead of GPT. It's shitty. Actually, I save Claude for the task that cannot be done by GPT. Claude, I know Claude is too good in code, and if GPT cannot handle something, then I go to Claude. Okay. Disciplined. Thanks for explaining, bro. Love you. Thanks, Disciplined. Ayan Khan. First, little focus a good and hefty amount of cash flow. Then I'll focus on my startup because it needs funds. Okay, nice plan. Okay, we have this. You are very close. This isn't the logic bug. It's a OAuth token lifecycle issue. Exactly. I knew this. If a token has been expired or revoked, okay, your refresh token is no longer valid. So Google refuses. Okay. The refresh token got revoked, reauthorized multiple times. Okay, on consent stream, you are using test mode in Google Cloth. Okay, user manually revoked access. You need to always, you are not always getting refresh token. Google only once per use per client. So the user logs in again. Then you have override DB. Okay, never overwrite refresh token if it's missing. Dangerous. fix it like this. Undefined, only update if exists. Okay, even better. Force getting refresh token every time. Update your auth URL. Handle expired token in worker, important. Right now worker just crashes. Add reconnect UX product thinking. Show Google connection expired, reconnect to continue. This is the backend schema. This is the Prisma.schema. src Prisma, where is it? Backend Prisma schema.prisma. We have this. Okay. Fine. Give me the full code. Version of Google Meet worker token handling, auto refresh expired tokens, handle environment safely. Okay. Fine. Updated meeting.worker.ts. Okay. Fine. Tap fusion. The joke got real for Ibrahim Bhai. Ibrahim Bhai real ID se. Okay. Where are you graduated from? Discipline I got graduated in 2023 from Sikkim Manipal Institute of Technology. ओके सायन राणा, हेलो सायन, वेलकम टू द स्ट्रीम। भैया आप एक बार प्रोजेक्ट दिखा दो कैसा हुआ है। आप प्रोजेक्ट का यूआई ऐसा है, लाइक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, वी कैन क्रिएट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, then this is the service, we can create a service, then we can edit a service, then this is the availability, we can add availability slots, we can delete the slots, or we can copy Monday and it will be available for other weekdays. Then this is the booking part, and this is the integration, Google integration, and this is the payment part where you need to add the bank details, and this is the billing part, and this is the booking page. Basically this is the booking page. If you come to this URL of our organization, you will see this, all the services. You can select a service and then you can select the time slot, you can select a date, then time slot, and then you have to give your detail and you have to pay. So that's the basic thing that we have built till now. Okay, Discipline, thanks for telling, welcome. Discipline, I will graduate from NIT or triple IT. Okay, nice. Okay, साइन राना, आप कौन से कैमरा से शॉट करते हो? मैं अपने लाइक ये स्ट्रीम में तो मैं अपने लैपटॉप के कैमरा यूज़ करता हूँ। इब्राहिम मोहसिन, Ash Bond the legend, what an anime, solo leveling is sick. Okay, like I should watch solo leveling then, Ibrahim. I've been hearing about it a lot actually. So yeah, Ibrahim Mohsin, real ID se ho. Actually that is Ibrahim Mohsin only. Have you used AI to make UI? It's so professional. Yes, I used AI to make UI. Like I took help from AI. आ रहा है थोड़ी देर में, फिर से लॉग आउट एंड लॉग इन। ओके, बाय पेटीएम और ट्रांजैक्शंस आपसे कोड बनाना बहुत टफ है। और ट्रांजैक्शन पेटीएम, आई हैव नॉट यूज पेटीएम पेमेंट गेटवे, सो आई डोंट नो। आयन खान, हु नोज दैट जिंजर हेड इज गोइंग टू डू टुमारो अर्ली मॉर्निंग मार्केट आर गोइंग क्रेजी। जिंजर हेड Ibrahim Mohsin, bro, it's so good. I changed my name. Okay, I'll watch it, Ibrahim. I'll watch it. And Khan, who knows that what Gingerhead is going to do tomorrow early morning market are going crazy. Let's see what he does. I found bug, big privacy concern, bug in Claude AI. Okay, so this is the meeting.worker.ts file. Then Google.controller, replace upsert with this. Okay. Okay, then Prisma schema, update, refresh token, add field status, booking status, pending, confirmed, cancelled, completed. Okay. Queue function in your meeting service, meeting queue, export queue meeting sync and okay. Ensure correct job. Okay. Fix your booking flow in your create booking, await queue. Okay. Online meeting worker, then email, offline email directly. Okay. On email queue, just a sec. SRC worker, meeting worker, email worker. Okay, so if I go here, and just a sec, if I go here, email worker, meeting worker. Okay, this is my booking.schema. Booking.schema. Okay, booking controller. Then we have booking controller done, booking route done. Then we have here email queue. Okay, email queue. Okay, Google controller, Google service, Google route. Email queue. Okay, email queue we are sending. Then this is the email worker we are sending. Then we did not send the meeting dot worker. Okay, this is the meeting dot worker dot ts. Meeting dot worker dot ts. Check a box of free plan extra percentage, or actually that's like it's a UI bug. I've seen that. I have to fix it. There's a this is actually Lucid React icon. I need to change the icon. So yeah. Now give me the full code. What workload? What was the payout? Actually, payout section is where like when a booking is done, that amount needs to go to the business's bank account. So that's why we need the payout part. No fly. Meeting dot worker, Google controller, meeting dot service. Okay, add field state booking status. Okay, my ChatGPT is too bad. Actually, it's too bad. Where is the full code? You're right. I gave pieces. Let's fix that. Meeting service, meeting worker. Bro, I think you should discipline. Bro, where is it? Bro, I think you should be like Mark Zuckerberg, take beer and do coding all night best combo. Okay. अच्छा ओके फाइन भाई गूगल में तो बग और क्लाइंट ग्लिच आइडेंटिफाई कर रहा है अपने अमीर बन रहा है क्योंकि हर साल सुनते हैं कि आइडेंटिफाई किया और गूगल ने यूज जॉब दे दी क्या पता भाई ये सब मैं नहीं करता हूँ ओके For the first stream, hidden handle. For the first stream where you decided what to build, uh, did you have an idea about? There's this stream called market research stream. You can watch that. गूगल में नहीं ब्रो क्लाउड एआई में ओके आई नो दैट ओके हेलो जोकर फिनिक्स वेलकम बैक टू द स्ट्रीम आयन खान बिलीव इन योर सेल्फ ओके इब्राहिम मोहसिन ओके 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 फाइन मीटिंग वर्कर गूगल कंट्रोलर वर्किंग सर्विस this is where are the code for Google controller एक सेकंड इसको एक काम करते हैं साला पागल है ये चैट जीपीटी एक सेकंड साला कुछ समझता नहीं है इसको बच्चा जैसे समझाना पड़ता है इसको उठा यहाँ से इसको पूरा उठा यहाँ से इसको पूरा कॉपी मार इधर से उठा इसको उठा इधर से इसको उठा इसको यहाँ से उठा इसको यहाँ पे कॉपी मार नया चैट बना और इसमें डाल ठीक है यहाँ पे डाला then this is the meeting.worker.ts ओके अब देखते हैं क्या करते हैं हाँ फाइन अब ये समझेगा सारा चीज़ इन गूगल कॉल बैक ओके हाँ MacDon, do you watch IPL? Not much. I don't watch IPL. Hidden handle. Also, what curious what your day-to-day looks like beside 3 to 4 hours of coding. I go to gym. I take calls, one-on-one calls. If I have freelancing projects, I work on that. Ayn Khan. Hello, you should create a chat station where people of your community should pay a sum to join and talk, man. It should be a business. Man, I should be a business consultant. Like you are talking about a paid community, something like that. Ayan Khan, can you explain? Tag Fusion, Abhishek bhai अंदर ही Chat GPT की discipline. What's your source of income? My source of income is I take one-on-one calls. I also work on freelancing projects. Okay. Yes. Okay. Ayn Khan, I'll try to make that. MacDon, do you live with your parents or in PG? I live with my parents. Okay. So we have this bug too. Okay. Fine. Make sure you're using this type of fine concept. You already have it. Oh, the app is liking testing mode. Refresh, okay. Publish status set to production. Optional right now. You attach this final your failure chain. Refresh token expired. Worker tries to refresh access token. Google returns invalid meeting creation fails. You should do now. Fix solution to okay. Delete the old integration now. Reconnect Google Auth. Okay. Set Auth app to production. Restart worker. After this. Your flow will work like this: booking, queue, worker, Google. Okay. If you want audit your meeting or service, give me the full code. Please don't fight, Ayan Khan. Who is fighting? Your hub. Fix your hub. Hello, Fix Your Hub. Welcome to the stream. What are you working on? I'm building a B2B appointment booking SaaS. Rahim Hossein, Ayn Khan, I like authenticity. I hate fake people. That's why I like Abhishek. And I know when someone is beasting in cybersecurity. What's happening, guys? Why you guys fighting? भाई आपको एक और इनकम सोर्स बताना भूल गया, यूट्यूब. भाई यूट्यूब, लाइक यूट्यूब का इनकम सोर्स मैं कंसिडर नहीं करता हूँ, क्योंकि लाइक इफ़ यू सी माई यूट्यूब वीडियोज़ एंड स्ट्रीम्स, उसमें कुछ ज़्यादा एडिटिंग वेडिटिंग होता नहीं है. इट्स लाइक सिंपल रॉ ट्रूथ. एंड जो हूँ मैं वही दिखाता हूँ. उतना मैं यूट्यूब को सीरियसली नहीं लेता हूँ. ओके, चिल अभिषेक. ओके फाइन. गूगल कंट्रोलर, वी हैव टू फिक्स इट. द मीटिंग डॉट वर्कर. Okay, we'll fix this. What you must do now? Okay, fine. Reconnect Google. What consistent? Change status to production. Want next level SaaS quality. Auto reconnect UX. And token expires. Logic. Experience. Try logic important for reliability work based on calendar sync. Multi-calendar support. No. जितना बोला जाए भाई उतना ही कर. ठीक है. So Google controller. Close this. 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 Okay. Backend SRC. Then here we have Google controller. Fine. Google controller, which part? What are we doing? Prompt consent. Okay. Google auth. Organization ID. Fine. Then we have okay. URL consent. Correct. State organization ID. Correct. This is fine. Then we have Google callback. Then Google callback. As string. Okay. Let's remove console.log.code. Okay. Hold on. There's no code. Authorization code missing. If there's no code, okay, let's add this. If there is no code, throw new API error. Let's make it 400. And authorization code missing. Fine. Okay, authorization code is missing. Fine, authorization code is missing. And const, and this has to be above this, not here. It has to be here. Fine, we are getting token here. Then auth to request acceleration tokens. Okay. Auth version v2. Okay, we are doing this. Okay, then user info dot get. Fine. Then we have organization ID. Okay, fine. Then if there is no organization ID, again, if there is no organization ID, if there is no organization ID, then throw new API error, and this will be 400, and here we'll have invalid state. We have this. Then this is the important fix. Okay, assert where organization ID and update access token. Okay, that okay, expiry date. Create. Okay, refresh token. Okay. Okay, fine. So we have to update this one. Access token and expiry date. Fine. And here we have to open it. अरे यार इसमें जा इसको open. We have to open it, right? We have to open this. Then here we need, okay, not here, like this. Here we need tokens dot refresh token. If it is there, then we need Then we need refresh token, tokens dot. Okay, if this is there, then refresh token is tokens dot refresh token. Fine, we did this. Then we have rest course origins dashboard integration success true. Fine. Okay, this is done. Step 3, get Google status. Okay, Nicola Edison. Hello, brother. I joined your stream. Hello, Nicola. Welcome back to the stream, brother. How are you? Hidden handle. Cool, yaar. I hope I can code like you soon. Oh, thanks. Thanks, hidden handle. रश हैकर गूगल एंटी ग्रेविटी ट्राई किया भाई अभी तक तो नहीं. Two educated people are fighting. Who are fighting? Why are people fighting? These bad bounty hunters are fighting. Why? Ainkar, what happened, bro? Okay. Lokesh. Oh, Lokesh. Hello, Lokesh. Welcome back to the stream. How are you? लेक्स फ्रीडमैन के पॉडकास्ट. हाँ यार, आई लव लेक्स. मैं काफ़ी लेक्स फ्रीडमैन के नो पॉडकास्ट देखता रहता हूँ. उसमें एक बार वो आया था, लाइक मेरा फेवरेट एंटरप्रेन्योर है पावेल दुरोव. वो ही इज़ द फाउंडर ऑफ टेलीग्राम. आई लव दैट पॉडकास्ट. Hidden handle. Wanna be like that soon. Okay, nice. YT Stir. Hello, YT Stir. Welcome to the stream. How are you? Like, concepts now. You're just building raw. Yeah, see, before even if I'm using AI, before I got to the stage where I'm using AI, before that I have practiced a lot by building projects. So that's why I know the flow of the application, and I can use AI to to let it know what I exactly want. Okay, so then now we have the Google status organization ID by getting it. Fine. Then okay, this is done. Then Google integration Prisma find unique where organization ID. Okay, fine. Then status data email. Okay, fine. This is done. Google controller is working. Now we need meeting.worker.ts. Meeting.worker.ts. Okay. Then what are we doing? Attach. Okay, before we attach token listener once outside the worker. Token listener. Fine. I don't know. Stuck in the exam, so not able to join the stream. Okay, I understand. I don't know. Welcome to the stream. I don't know. Abhishek saw Gamma 4. Yes, I saw Gamma 4, Ibrahim. YT Star, new founder slash CEO loading. Thanks. Okay. Ibrahim Hossein. Crazy shit, bro. Gamma 4. Yeah, like I was checking out Twitter and people were talking about it, so I saw there. Tokens. So what are we doing? We are auth 2 client. Why are we getting this from limgoogle.js? Okay, on tokens, then we are creating a function. This if expiry date, consider token refreshed. You need organized context will update inside worker. Fine. So here we need auth 2 client dot on tokens and then we are calling an async function. This is the function, and this function has tokens as argument. Okay, then if tokens dot refresh token and I think access token, yeah, not refresh, we need the access token. And then we have token dot expiry date and tokens. It's tokens. Yeah, tokens dot expiry date. Then console dot log tokens refreshed. Okay, token refreshed. Okay. Then you need organization ID context will update inside the worker. Okay, then we have new worker. Fine. Try on booking ID, job data, very good. Find unique, where organ include service true. Include service true, fine. Then we have organization include Google and true, okay, fine. Then if there is no booking not found, okay. And this we can console now. Const integration, okay. If there's no integration, we need console.log Google integration not found, okay. Aman Bhatt, what are we implementing today? Like which feature? Basically, today we are working on the. Yesterday we saw that Google Meeting link was not getting not getting created because you know that the token has expired. So we need to handle that refresh token automatically feature. So that's what we are doing now. Attorney, what's up? Hello, Attorney. Welcome back to the stream. Manish Char, where do you see tech industry evolving with AI in the next 2 to 3 years? It's going like the vibe coding thing is going to get really better. Heth Patel, sir, did you check? Hello, Heth Patel, welcome back to the stream. No, Heth, I did not get the time to check. Lokesh, Deep Mind, okay. ब्लैक बॉक्स से भी आप बनता है और ट्राई नहीं किया अभी तक तो नहीं किया ब्लैक बॉक्स ओके Aman Bhatt. Oh, great. Yeah, man, that's what we're trying to implement today. Fine. So, no one integration not found. Okay. Then set credentials. Okay. Hold on. Okay. This we can comment for now. And now we are setting the credentials. Then here we are setting the credentials. What we are doing? Access token. Hold on. Access token. Then refresh token, then expiry dot get time, okay. Then handle token refresh properly with org context, organization context, okay. This we have to make. Or on tokens, async same function, await if hold on. Hold on, okay, just a sec. Where did it go? So if tokens, we have to remove this check. Hold on. Remove this for now. Let's keep that and comment it for now. Let's see if await Prisma will go into update. Okay, where? Spiky. Manish Shahar, where do you stay, bro? I'm from West Bengal, India. KHB Kolkata, yup. YT sir. If you ever plan to hire developer, do consider me. Thanks, YT sir. If we plan to expand, then sure. Aman Bhatt, aren't you taking help from your college peers or some other dev? Not right now. YT sir, why should he choose AI agents and Claude? And you, what's different in you? Good question, Aman Khan. So await, they're doing Prisma dot Google integration dot update, where we have organization ID is booking dot organization ID, and then we have the data here, and in data we get access token, then we have here tokens dot access token. If it is there, then integration dot access token, okay. Then we have expiry date. In expiry date, if tokens dot expiry date is there, then we are doing new date tokens dot expiry date, fine. Or else integration dot expiry date. Fine. Expiry integration expiry date. Fine. Expiry date done. Then here we have tokens dot refresh token, and we have here refresh token. We have here tokens dot refresh token. Fine, we have this. Okay, then const calendar google dot calendar. Okay, fine, this is correct, this is correct. Then we have event insert. Then this is, I think the logic is same. Fine, date time. Okay, fine. Then console.log event, we can put it like this now. Aman Bhatt, okay. Hidden handle, AI bubble burst होते दिख रहा है. See, AI bubble, companies who have over invested, like thinking that AI will replace developers and all those things, then yes, that will burst. Attorney developer now, water boy is the new meta. New meta. And the difference is that I am human and Claude is an AI agent. Lol. So social butterfly. भैया 2025 पास आउट, भैया 2 इंटर्नशिप है अब तक. फ्रंट एंड डेवलपर इंटर्नशिप एंड फुल स्टैक डेवलपर इंटर्नशिप अप्लाई, रिस्पॉन्स फास्ट नहीं आ रहा. नॉन आईटी करके आईटी शिफ्ट करूँ क्या? बट नॉट आईटी में, उधर वर्क प्रेशर और स्टडी में से इंटरेस्ट जाता है. क्या बोल रहे हैं? सोच थोड़ा एक्सप्लेन करो सोशल बटरफ्लाई. हाय मोहसिन, गुड नाइट अभिषेक, गुड नाइट इब्राहिम मोहसिना, थैंक्स फॉर जॉइनिंग द स्ट्रीम. Exact answer, HRs need to make a resume, a paper plan. Okay. Console.log. Okay, then we have the meeting link, event dot conference date dot entry points, this. Okay. Hold on. Or we have to make it this or null. Prisma dot booking dot update where ID, booking ID, data, meeting link, and status, make it informed, and then await queue booking confirmation email. Then console.log job failed, reason error dot message error or type any. Fine, we have this. Then await data. Okay, job name, job data. Okay. Then connection, Redis connection, concurrency 5. Okay, here we have concurrency 5. Okay, import what you must do. Step 1, mandatory delete old broken. Okay. Step 2, regard. Step 3. Okay. Here. Fine. Got it. So now if I come here and if I go here, and now we see Google integration part. This is Google integration part, and now if we delete it, now if we go here and if we come here and see Google integration, yeah, it is asking us to connect, right? And before we do this, payment part, delete this. Okay, then booking lock, any locks, no locks, and booking, we have this booking, and delete these bookings. Wireless foreign industry payment booking ID. Table payment. Okay, we need to delete this, and then we can delete this. Fine. This is done. Booking is done. Public payment and Google integration. Fine. Okay. Manish, Bhaiya, I learned Gen AI and Agentic AI. I'm in 8th SEM. What to do? Interview tips, please. Learn Gen AI and Agentic AI. I'm in 8th SEM. What to do? Interview tips, please. Be confident, and whatever you mention in your resume, make sure you know those things. And make sure you know Python, because if you are going into AI field, you must learn Python. मिलान हेलो मिलान वेलकम टू द स्ट्रीम विंडोज अच्छा है या लिनक्स उबंटू फॉर ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपर के लिए if you are only going if you are very sure that you are going to do software development only, then go for Linux. But if you want to do other tasks like editing and all those things, then go with Windows. Lokesh, hey everyone, if you enjoyed the stream, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks Lokesh, thanks a lot. Yeah guys, if you enjoyed the stream, do consider liking the stream and subscribe and share with people. Yash Mishra. Hello Yash, welcome to the stream. I had an interview for an internship. They asked me like in 3 idiots कितना लोगे 8K तक बहुत हुई है. रिमोट इंटर्नशिप है फ्रंट एंड रोल के लिए फॉर ड्यूरेशन 6 months एंड पीपीओ भी देंगे बोले. ओ दैट इज नाइस, कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन यश मिश्रा. सुदीप्तो गेमर्स वाईटी. हेलो सुदीप्तो, वेलकम टू द स्ट्रीम. भाई एआई क्या डेवलपर का रिप्लेस कर सकता? नहीं नहीं, मेरे हिसाब से नहीं. वाईटी सर हेल ना. Manish Shahar, bhai, how to integrate payment gateway? For first, you need to get the whatever. For example, if you're using Razorpay, then you need to get the API key and API secret. Then you need to install. If you are using Node, then you have to install npm Razorpay package. Then first, you need to create an instance of Razorpay module. Then there, you can use either Razorpay.order. Like you have to go through the documentation, like we implemented in the SaaS. So yeah, just a sec. Now let's go with connect this, continue, 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 Google synced. Okay, go to integration, Google is synced, right? Now if I save this and if I go to my database, we'll see Google integration, right? We have Google integration now. Yep, we have Google integration exactly. Now if I go to my booking part and if we go for an online session, then we should get the link. Go for 21st at 12. Go for payment. Fine, then go for UPI. Success at the rate Razorpay, verify and pay. Okay, it is loading. It is loading. Done. This is done. Booking confirmed. Okay. Now if I go to booking part. See, meeting link is still null. Why? Request had insufficient authentication scopes. Why is it failing? Okay, just a sec. Google Console, Google Meet. Okay. Hold on, not this one. I need to go to my okay. But how do I get views? Don't care about views. If you are doing something, enjoy it, and if some people are interested, they will watch it. If they're not interested, they will not watch it. Don't care about views so much. Manish, me. What, me? Bishu, bro, are you vibe coding or it's not vibe coding? The UI part is like it's a mixture of vibe code. Yes, we are doing a bit of vibe coding, but before implementing the code, we are actually seeing the code, trying to understand the code, then we are implementing it ourselves. So like it's a mixture of vibe coding and normal coding, we can say. Okay. Why? How to? Okay. Attorney. Okay. Bro, are you doing okay? Bishu answered me. Okay. Need to check. Hide screen. Yeah, man. We need to hide screen. Thanks for reminding, Lokesh. Bhai, can you show the authentication part in this project? Yes, I'll show. Just a sec. I am trying to fix something. Uh, Google Cloud. Go to console. Appointment booking. Appointment. Just a sec, guys. This is just a sec. Appointment booking SaaS. This one. And if we go here, API and services, then what do we need? Credentials. Anything here? Okay, we have this. Just a sec, guys. Not here. Okay. Okay. Just a sec. Okay, we can come here and I did this and we got this. I did that, but still I got error. Paste. This is progress. Your token is now valid, but you have a next layer. The app is on, but I have permission to create commits. Okay. If you are using this common mistake, okay, we have this. Just a sec. Backend, instancy lib, Google. This is Google dot Google dot ts here. Okay, okay. Delete old token. Force fresh concept update. Cloud API search Google. Click enable. Use the silently. The hell, man? What the hell? What the hell? What the hell? Okay. Hate Patel, but sir, you promised. Yeah, man, I forgot. Just a sec. I'll do it right now. Hate Patel, just a sec. I'll do it right now. Go to channel. Yo. All the best. Your screen hide karo, okay? Hide, but I'm going to do my PCAP exam for Python tomorrow. That's all the best, Hit Patel. Being able to do build things from ground up, essentially, I guess. I wipe out a game with Unity. I understand everything in the code base. Initially I wrote most code. That's nice, Bishu. Okay. Like even if you're doing vibe coding before, if you have coding knowledge, then vibe coding can be really productive if you know how to code. Okay, we have this. What is happening here? Okay. First, I need to go to this part. Okay. Generate auth URL. Okay. Go to modules, Google controller. We have this offline consent prompt in. Yeah, we need to add this. Let's add this now and let's see what we get. Dev, dev here. भाई पेमेंट होने के बाद बुकिंग होने के बाद एक नया पेज आता है ऑर्डर आईडी नेम मिसिंग लग रहा है ओके आइन खान लॉल ओके हाँ वो देखेंगे लाइक वी हैव टू वर्क ऑन दोज थिंग्स यहाँ पे ये गया एंड जस्ट अ सेक Google integration, delete this integration, then payment, delete this payment, booking lock, anything here, no, then we have this, come here, this booking part, meeting link is null, okay, we have this, delete, fine, we have this, okay, now if we go here and again if I go to this and go to here, if I connect Google, continue, and if I do continue, we have this Google Calendar connected successfully. Okay, now if somebody comes here and for start an online session, come here and go here, this, and this is online session, right? Online, yes, we go here, Abhishek Sharma, this, we come here, we have this card, we have this card, UPI success aggregate reason pay, we are doing this, okay, booking confirmed. Now is the moment of truth. This is my booking. Let's see. Yeah, we got the meeting link. Okay, now we got the meeting link. Now let's see if we are getting the meeting link in the email as well. Just a sec, I'll open my Gmail. If I go here and for just a sec guys, if I go here and now if I come here, did we get the email? Yeah, we got the email. Yup, we got the email. Very good. Now if I come here, see here we are getting an email. Oh, yeah, okay. This just 0 minutes ago. This is the email, and now if I click on this, then we can go to the meeting, and then two people can join. No, okay. Wednesday, 15th April, 1 p.m. Okay, very good. We have implemented this, so we have fixed this issue. Yep. Okay. This is done. and include random scopes. Okay, 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 final, okay. Step 3, fine. Step 4, okay. Line 4 is fine now, okay, perfect. After this, okay. After that, okay, 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 fine. Okay, got it. So this has been fixed. This has been fixed, and yeah. फोन नंबर किसका है उसमें जो है? मेरा तो नहीं है. लोकेश, गुड जॉब भैया. थैंक्स लोकेश, थैंक्स अ लॉट. प्रवेश ब्रो, आपका सास कहाँ तक कंप्लीट हुआ? आज तो हम लोग वो एक बग फिक्स आया था, वो हम लोग कंप्लीट किया आज. एंड कस्टमर की ईमेल में अब मीटिंग का लिंक भी आ रहा है. स्टेटस कंफर्म. ओके, कंफर्म्ड. एंड इफ वी गो here, and if I go to my prisma.schema, and if we go to booking log, then we have Google integration, then we have success, payment status, and booking status confirmed. Okay, cancelled, completed, very good. Now if I come here, and if I go here, and if we go to bookings, we have this upcoming. Yeah, we have this. Very good. आई नो किसका नंबर है. मनीष, डिप्लॉय कब करोगे भैया? डेवलपमेंट के बाद डिप्लॉय करेंगे. Hey everyone, if you enjoyed the stream, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Yeah guys, if you're enjoying the stream, do consider subscribing to this channel and drop a like and share it with people. Pravesh, bro, I want to learn React and Node.js, but due to my assignment and exam, I cannot focus on other things. Okay, maybe you can just give 1 or 2 hours every night before you go to bed. That's the best time to learn anything. We have this. Okay, so just a sec. What we are doing? Yeah, now we can this we have done, this we have done. Now what we can do is we can go to front end, app, auth, login, then we have register, then we go to components. Bank components. Okay, then we have forms, we have login form, then we have register form. Fine, we'll close it for now. Okay, now we'll go to Notion. Manish bhai, start tutorial please, just for Saturday and Sunday. uh, think about it, because right now my goal is not to do tutorials. I'm trying to build my own SaaS. Jewel manual, why you didn't send NeonDB, bro? Actually, we'll be using NeonDB just before going to production. For testing, I think PG admin is fine. But before we deploy this, we'll shift our DB to NeonDB. Saturday and Sunday gaming. Yeah, eternally, like Saturday, Sunday, we'll keep it gaming. Tarun, have you ever built Python CI/CD workflows with shell scripts? No, no, Tarun, I have not done that. Manish, Mike, guys, am I audible? Eternally, Saturday, Sunday gaming. Yeah, Saturday, Sunday we'll do gaming streams. That's what we have decided till now. Am I audible, guys? Now, if we come here. Is the stream health fine? Yeah, stream health looks good only. Gemini, yep. Kakashi, don't speak too close to the mic. Okay. Pravesh, yes. Lokesh, yes. Okay. Now we can refactor our login. Basically, now log out. We can refactor this login and log out page as well. Let's do this. Okay. This is the new code. First, let's start with register page. page.tsx, register form. Lokesh, dark mode when? Lokesh, after we complete this UI UX of all pages, then the next target is to do add dark mode. Our next target would be to add the dark mode here. Fine. Okay, we have this optimize solid, but we can make more premium aligned with the high-end aesthetic of a booking page. When we have input feedback, password visibility, and brand consistency is always also fixed a small logic. Already, you usually don't need a forget password link on registration form. Okay, and we have this here. Go to the register page. Mm-hmm. Iconic inputs, added user email inside the input field. This makes okay. Password disabled. II contact. Okay. Modern styling. Okay. Added typography. Uh-huh. It's Tarun. Okay. Wow. The caption of the stream. Yes, Mishra. Roses are red. Violets are blue. Yes, Mishra. Roses are red. Violets are blue. Work so hard to make dreams come true. Oh, nice. Yes, Mishra. Thanks. Happy. What was that? Excalibur. Yes, this is Excalibur. Tarun, lol, nice. Okay. My difference between access token, refresh token. Actually, access token is basically it's a small lived token. For example, 5 days, or maybe it depends on the application. It's a token. It's a, like a for example, you come to meet me, right? But you cannot meet me directly. First, you give me a token, then I recognize you, then we meet, right? That is access token. And refresh token is if access token gets expired, then we use refresh token to create a new access token. Then access token is exchanged. लोकेश, वाओ, मेरा नाम लोकेश है. Okay. Attorney, italic number spotted again. Booking test user organization too. Yeah, like we have to fix that. रवेश भाई, आपका यूआई कहाँ तक हुआ? प्लीज शो योर यूआई. हाँ, यूआई ऑलमोस्ट हो ही गया है. लाइक ये तो बुकिंग पेज का यूआई है. एंड एक सेकंड, मैं आपको पूरा यूआई दिखा रहा हूँ. एक सेकंड. ऋषिकेश, हेलो ऋषिकेश, वेलकम टू द स्ट्रीम. कैपी भाई, ट्रैक पैड से ड्रॉ नहीं हो पाता. मेरे से भी ट्रैक पैड से ड्रॉ नहीं होता है. Tarun, use Chat CN instead of manual UI. It's very good looking, and AI can also work with. Yeah, I use. We are using Chat CN. Tarun, Cappy, मैं भी एक्सकैली ड्रॉ यूज करता हूँ. अच्छा, ऋषिकेश, कितने बजे सोते हो? मैं 3-4 बजे सोता हूँ. Tarun, YouTube has the best teachers, and AI also exists. They all teach far better than me. Okay. Even I use AI to teach myself. I use AI to teach, to teach myself. So yeah. Now if we come here, we have this. Okay. This is the register form. Here, register form. Find it. Now we paste it. Now let's see how it looks. What is the issue? Yeah, issue has been fixed. Now we come here. Get started. Create account. Already a member. I don't want error message to take extra space. Jumpy, unstable. Okay. Stable layout. Okay. Now if we come here, What is the issue? Oh, hydration issue. Ignore it. Add this. Register. Name must be at least 2 characters long. Invalid email address. Password must be at least. Rushikesh. Thank you, Rushikesh. Thanks for the super chat. 9433. What is 9433, Rushikesh? And thanks for the super chat, man. What do you use for drawing system flow? Basically, I use Excalibur only. I create system flow like this. Just a sec. I create AR diagrams like this. So yeah, nothing fancy. I use free tools only till now. Yes, Mishra. Some guy sent me a repo. Its code was written with such clarity and thoughtful validation. Don't know when will I become such skilled dev. It comes with practice. कैपी भाई माउस और ट्रैकपैड की जगह पर एक ग्लव बना दे जो ब्लूटूथ से कनेक्ट हो सके और उसमें ओके नाइस नाइस आइडिया आई ट्राई लेट्स सी Tarun, built an URL shortener for fun today. Gonna add subscription and paywall tomorrow. Just a fun project to learn more about payment gateways and system design and DevOps. Lol. That's nice, Tarun. See, we learn a lot with small projects only. If we directly build complex projects, it will go over our head. Excalibur is the best. Okay. And thanks Rushikesh Galmugale. Thanks Rushikesh Galmugale for the super chat. So we have this. And 9433. What is 9433? We have this. Okay. Now this looks like this. If I refresh, create account, join our platform today, and this register button, where is it? Cursor pointer. Let's make a new user. How many users we have? Users. This is the user part. Tarun, which payment gateway you decide to stay on through? Razorpay. And I will be registering my business for using the payout feature. So we are going to stay with Razorpay. Attorney, never saw you drinking water. Hydrate yourself. Yeah, man. Let's just a sec. I'll drink water. Thanks for the reminder, Attorney. Razorpay, yeah man. Pravesh, bro, dark mode, light mode, toggle के लिए JavaScript यूज होता है ना? What do you use it for? Dark mode, हाँ वो toggle के लिए like हम लोग तो React यूज करेंगे, but if you can implement it with core JavaScript as well. We have, let's create test user 11, 8, 9, 10, 11, test user 11. Let's see what we get. Test user 11 test user 11 @gmail.com test user 11 and this I button will be a cursor pointer. Attorney, no issues. After SaaS grows, I am the in charge for this. Okay. Attorney, आप कितने दिन होगा पूरा होने में? अभी तो मेन हम लोग को बिजनेस रजिस्टर करना पड़ेगा, तो उसमें तो टाइम लगेगा कम से कम 1-2 महीना मेरे हिसाब से, क्योंकि गवर्नमेंट प्रोसेस है, स्लो है. तो बिजनेस रजिस्ट्रेशन वाला चीज़ में इट विल टेक टाइम. रवेश, व्हेन विल स्लीप ब्रो? आई स्लीप बाय, अभी तो टाइम है सोने में, लाइक मे बी अराउंड 1-2. Tarun, so there's no other way to use payment gateway without registering this app. For the payout feature, like normally if you're building an application, for example, the URL shortener that you are using, a customer will pay and the payment will come directly to you. You don't have to pay to someone else, right? For that kind of application, you don't need to register your business, right? But in my SaaS, when a customer is booking, for example, a customer books a booking for 100 rupees, then 20 rupees will be my platform cut, and that remaining 80 rupees will go to the business who created the service, right? So for that, I need to pay that 80 rupees to the business's bank account. That's why here we are storing the business account, we store the bank details. So for that, we need the payout feature. And for payout feature, we need to register our business. Lokesh, RazorPayX. Yeah, we have to use RazorPayX. Okay, so just where is it? Password. Okay, set show password. I of class name cursor pointer. Yeah, something like this. Cursor pointer. Yeah. Okay. Fine. Now if you click on register business, business register, test user 11, no organizations, create first organization, fine. Services, select an organization to manage service, very good. Availability, select an organization to manage availability. Bookings, please select an organization. Okay. Select an organization from the sidebar to manage your integrations. Okay. Payments and billing. Okay, we have to fix all of this. Okay. Create. Okay, now let's go for Tuesday 11. Okay, fine. Tarun, all right, I get it. After I get fully done with my current project or mine, then I'll be working on a certain idea that I got from the Fix My Age platform by Razorpay. Yeah, Tarun, like even I was thinking about that. Okay, for one person company, fee will be around 1800. Yeah. So this is done. Now if I go to log out and we need to go to login and just a sec, this login part, login button, here it will be cursor pointer, this login part. Okay, now we go to this is a new page, this is the page.tsx, not this one, hold on, this is a new page, page.tsx, and this is my login form.tsx. प्रवेश ब्रो, डू यू रजिस्टर योर ऐप एंड क्या पेमेंट के लिए ऐप रजिस्टर करना पड़ता है? पे आउट फीचर के लिए ऐप रजिस्टर करना पड़ता है. हर जन आज क्या हो रहा है? वी आर वर्किंग लाइक फर्स्ट वी फिक्स द गूगल इंटीग्रेशन बग एंड नाउ वी आर वर्किंग ऑन दी making the UI and UX for the login and register form. Rushikesh, this is 29th day. How can you make the consistent? This is the 25th day. Bro, in my thumbnail it is 25th or 29th. एक second. It is the 29th, 25th day, yeah. It is the 25th day. एक second. 25th or 29th. Thumbnail में क्या लिखा है? 25th, yeah. It is 25th day. Bro, you scared me. मैंने like I thought ये क्या हो रहा है? रीसेट कर दो. या लॉगिन फॉर्म. How can you make the consistency yourself? It's all about discipline. ये कौन सा बुकिंग ऐप है? बस का, ट्रेन का, किस चीज का है? It is a booking app for online businesses who gives one-on-one call. Harjan, B2B scheduling call. Yeah, exactly. Tarun, domain for Shadura is available. Actually, I did not check, and this is not a permanent name for Shadura. Like we are still experimenting with the name. First is to get the business registered, and then we are going to get the domain and all those things. Harjan, empty states पे काम कर रहे हैं. Empty states. Hardik, hi, do you consider yourself optimistic or pessimistic guy? A big time optimistic guy. Pravesh, 25th, yeah, 25th day. So login form, copy this, login form, login form. What the hell? What mess up we did? Yeah, okay. Welcome back. Create your business account. Login. Make the login form style similar to the register form style. For how much do you sell this? Like I did not decide the payment, how much amount for one like subscription based model, Tarun. But you have to decide on a name to register the company. Actually, it will be the name of the company. It's like I want to create a, you know, see, this is not the only SaaS that I will be building. I need an umbrella kind of thing, like one umbrella and different products. So I need to, maybe for the business it will be my name only, so that in my name there are multiple SaaS that I can build. Jule Manu, where will you deploy your SaaS, bro? For front end, we'll use Vercel, and for back end, we're going to go with DigitalOcean VPS. दीपांशु भैया वाईफाई की प्रॉब्लम थी इसलिए 2 दिन से नहीं आ पाया. ओके, इट्स ओके दीपांशु मैम, वेलकम बैक टू द स्ट्रीम. सिर्फ आपका फैन. मेरी सास आप काफ़ी कॉम्प्लेक्स है. मेरी सास ऐप मैं सास क्यों बोल रहा हूँ भाई, सास होता है. हम खुद मैंने आई एम प्रोनाउंसिंग इट सास. मेरी सास ऐप काफ़ी कॉम्प्लेक्स है. इवन आई स्पेंड अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम विद GPT to understand. Even tell agent architecture of business flow we can do better instead of making a multiple screen. Okay. Tarun, you meant a parent company. Exactly. Look, it's like eternal. हर जन कोई अच्छा नाम सोच लो, not too specific since it's going to be a parent name. Yeah, we need one, like, see, I want to create multiple SaaS in different domains, right? But we in those SaaS maybe we'll again use payout features, right? So I need a one parent company inside which I have multiple SaaS products. Tarun, you can also make a studio like Abhi Studio or something like that. That's cool. Abhi Studio. We'll think about this. That's a good idea, Tarun. Eternal by Zomato. Okay. SaaS. Yeah, SaaS, not SaaS. Okay. This login form. Let's see what we get. Necessary spacing क्यों आ रहा है? There is unnecessary unnecessary scroll bar. Copy this from here. Still get what the understanding? Hey, Gemini. Abhi 10 Shake Studio. But difference between DigitalOcean and Nginx. Nginx is like a reverse proxy, and DigitalOcean is a VPS. It's like a virtual computer. Mass. Joker Phoenix. Hey, bro. Any recommendation for the best deep dive resource on system design? Uh, for system design, you can go for Piyush Gar YouTube channel. सिर्फ आपको फैन बैड एस लस्सी लस्सी अली गोली Abdul Ali Agoli. Hello, Abdul Ali Agoli. Welcome to the stream. Yo, bro, I want to start streaming myself coding, but the only problem is that I fear leaking my API keys. Do you have a solution? Yes, I have a solution. What I do whenever I need to see my API keys, I actually go to OBS and I hide my screen like this. That's what I do. Scroll is still there. Why can't you just keep the styling like register form? Joker Phoenix, thanks. Welcome, Joker Phoenix. Adi Dhore. Hello, Adi. Welcome to the stream. Okay, appreciate and good luck. Thanks, Abdali Agoli. Welcome to the and welcome, Lokesh. Yes, be careful cause sometime you can leak phone number too. Lokesh, man. Okay. Pravesh, bro, use render for backend deployment. It will give you backend environment for in deployment. Okay, we'll see. And will give me a login form. Now let's see what we get. Yeah, login scrolling is gone. Okay. Enter your details to continue to dashboard. Okay. First, I do this. Okay. Password cannot be empty. Email address, invalid email. Okay. Tarun, when do you front end? It's very boring for us. When you do front end, it's very boring for us. Okay, but what to do, man? We cannot avoid front end. Pravesh, bro, what are you working on today? We are working on making the UI and UX better for login and register form. Abdalia Goli, do you have a Pro Gemini account or you are using a $3 free trial? It's a free. I'm not even on trial. It's a free account, and we are taking it to the limit as much as it can work. Okay. So this is my button and create your business account, and here make it to cursor pointer. Harsh, front end is fun. Okay, Harsh, thanks. You are enjoying the front end. प्रवेश आपका SaaS कब तक कंप्लीट होगा? अब MVP डेवलपमेंट पार्ट तो काफ़ी जल्दी कंप्लीट हो जाएगा, बट मेन इशू विल बी इन द बिजनेस रजिस्ट्रेशन पार्ट. 11 days or 2 weeks. Yep. Cursor pointer. Then we have add this cursor pointer. This here, hold on. I'm not liking this icon. Remove this icon. Okay. Welcome back. Hold on. Okay, welcome back. Log this one. What will happen if I cut this? Welcome back. Login. Welcome back. Okay. And I'm liking this part. This one. Pravesh, every serverless deployment platform provides environment variables, and render is because his cold start issue after request hits endpoint, it goes hibernation after inactive. Okay, frontend is fun when you know do styling and functionality by yourself. Can you explain what is a SaaS, please? It's a B2B appointment booking SaaS. For example, if someone comes here, hold on. For example, if someone logs in test user2 at the rate gmail.com, and here also we do test user2 show password. Okay, just a sec. अक्षर भाई आईडी पोटेंसी क्या होता है आईडी पोटेंसी आईडी पोटेंसी व्हाट इज द आईडी पोटेंसी आईडी आईडेम पोटेंसी क्या होता है भाई a property where it can have a multiplier without changing the results beyond initial application bro ये तो मुझे उतना डिटेल में नहीं पता है Tarun, it's a pain in the doing the front end for us full stack devs. Yeah, man. Front end is boring to be honest. Even I feel it is boring, but what to do? You cannot avoid it. Fine. This where is my I icon? Password field. I button. EY password. Okay. Cursor pointer I deploy my backend project. Okay, do you think building a SaaS only using AI would be a good idea? See, yeah, it will be a good idea, but make sure you actually know how to code before you fully depend on AI. Because if you don't understand the code, then you can fall into a debugging hell, which I call, because you don't understand anything and you will just keep prompting, and one day your limit will end, and then you have to wait for another month. But if you like if you understand code, then if you know what is happening, if you understand the code, go through the code, if something is not working right, you can fix it yourself, or you can exactly tell AI what to fix. Fine, this is my cursor pointer. Yeah, this one. Okay, log into dashboard, verifying. Yeah, this is my dashboard. Organization 2. These are the services, availability, bookings, integrations, payments. Yes, and then the billing part. Active pro plan. Okay, fine. We have this. This is done. Yeah. Now I'm happy with this. Okay, so this we have. The page not needed. This. Okay, then this is also not needed. Remove this. Okay, Tarun, Pravesh, then you might haven't been in a production environment yet. You will feel it when you get more experience doing backend. Okay, we have this now, and in my front end components, general components, Navbar. Now let's fix the Navbar of the dashboard. It is good, but I think with AI we can make it better. This is the Navbar. Navbar.tsx. Let's see what we get. What does pravesh means? I think the meaning of pravesh is to enter. प्रवेश करो हमारे घर में, like enter my house, something like that. If I'm not wrong, I like correct me, Pravesh, if I'm wrong. Let's see. Navbar. Add this here. What is the issue? Component drop down menu and avatar drop down menu. Shad cn. We need this. And here in docs, components, we need drop down menu. We have this. Copy this. Come here. Front end. Close this. Add this drop down menu and avatar. Tarun, nah, use Claude even if you have zero knowledge, but a ton of money to pay for the token usage. Good point. Yeah, if you are a millionaire or a billionaire, then yeah, you can use Claude without knowing how to code, because you can just pay for the limit. This, then we can go to avatar part. Pravesh, yes, okay. Avatar, yeah, this is my avatar. Paste this here. Keerth. Hello Kirtan Ghodiwal. Hello Kirtan, welcome to the stream. How to be disciplined, bro? I'm lazy AF. See, discipline, you need to understand that first, don't depend on motivation. Then second thing is, to become disciplined, you have to pick one goal and you need to think how your life will look like if you achieve that goal. And if that feeling, if you can see yourself how your life will look like once you achieve your goal, then unless and until you achieve that life, you will not rest. Seriously, I mean it. Once you know how different your life will look once you have a particular goal and you have achieved that goal, when you can see it, then you will not rest unless and until that goal is accomplished. That's how I feel. So, moment of truth. Okay, TUT, test user 2 pro account. Okay, Shadora. Tarun, you know you can take advantage of the new designs growing in the market like glass morphism and liquid glass. Yes, I know glass morphism. I've seen like people using it, but I like to keep things very simple. If something like I want to make it, like I want to make it better, but still, we have this here. Okay, profile settings, logout session. Okay, test user 11 at the rate gmail.com. Test user 11. Login. Test user 11. And if I come here, profile settings. Yeah, this one is nice, but this pro account. Let's remove this pro account part. We don't need that pro account part. No, let's give it, make it better and more good looking. Okay, Tarun, at the end people are more liking the new design and the AI, and they are on the web will be using your SaaS. Good point, Tarun. Let's see, we'll think. Yo Chico, Ayush, welcome to the stream, Ayush. We have this. Okay, Navbar part. Okay, Navbar. Come here and let's see for this Navbar. Remove this one and let's put this one and see how it looks. Compiling. Okay, it is compiling. How it looks. Rendering. What is happening? No, it's really bad. It's really bad. But actually, I don't like the padding on left to right. Okay, so we can change the padding. Let's see. If I go here, header, sticky top, px. Okay, what do I have? Px6. Okay, what will happen if we remove z minus? Nothing happened. Top 0 p y x. Okay, x. Why are we getting this? Hold on, sticky. Okay, not here. Got it. Max mx auto. Remove mx auto and max width full. Yeah, now it looks better. So it looks like this bell icon. Why do I need the bell icon? Okay, workspace settings, nothing here. Remove this, terminate session, just give logout. And why it is logout part like this? Account verify. Okay, Pravesh, bro, we want others to do projects, but we don't want ourselves to work. Okay, Ayush Kumar, your UI is getting better and better each stream, and it's not even MVP. Really excited to see V1. Thanks, Ayush. Kirtan, which VS Code theme are you using? There's a theme called Cat Pacino. I'm using that. I think it's called Saucy. No, it's called Cat Pacino. Is Shedora the final name? Also logo? No, this is not the final name and not the final logo. Keith, the which VS? Okay. Tarun, by the way, just a suggestion. Do not directly open something that a viewer sends on your Discord or Instagram. It can be inappropriate and can take your channel down. But just a single second. Yeah, exactly, Tarun. Thanks, man. I know, like, that's why now I'm trying to be, more cautious about what someone sends in my Discord or in my Instagram. Thanks. That's a great advice, Tarun. Attorney Cat Pacino. Yeah, bro. Say if you don't know what. Okay, hold on, and I just need the UI icon. Just give the user icon here. Span scheduling suite. Cat Pacino. Yes, it's Cat Pacino. Okay, if we have this, why it is there's the green dot. I don't like this. Hold on. Okay. Shedura. Rounded full. BGMR. This is not required. Actually, this entire div is not required. Yep, this entire div is not required. Abdul, I only say the Sigma boys cooking so hard, keep gooning, okay? Joker finish, which is secure. What is secure? I am goon maxing so hard. What is goon maxing? Tarun, before opening a DM and your Discord server, just black the screen from OBS, check if everything is fine. That's it, the safe way. Anyways, my kudos with you. Yes, Tarun, thanks a lot, man. Kirtan, use Claude extension in VS Code instead of using the web version. Do not switch tabs, okay? Atharva, you usually sleep at what time and what time do you wake up? I wake up by 9 a.m. and I sleep by 3 4 a.m. So yeah, we have this. But the thing is, see, it is looking good, but I'm not satisfied with this thing. For now, let's remove this workspace setting. Drop down menu. Okay. Workspace setting. Remove this settings. Drop down menu item. Remove this. Then how it looks. Okay, then this div is also not required. Okay, and terminate session, just give logout. Simply say logout. Just say logout. Ayan Khan. Goon mastering means okay. Up the gully. Bro, I want to start vibe coding. Vibe code streaming. Do you want a collab? We could stream together. Actually, right now my only goal is to build my own SaaS, and that's what I want to focus on that right now. And then you do scroll at night. Actually, after I stream, I just go to bed and I just fall asleep. Ayan Khan, I was shocked when I was working and heard. Okay, okay. Actually, I did not know the meaning. Nihal. Bro, what you built and how it works. It's an appointment booking SaaS. I'll show you. It's an appointment booking SaaS where a user can create account, login, and then they can create organization. They can create the services for each organization, availability, manage the time slots, and see the bookings, integrate the Google Calendar, and then make the payments, like add their bank account detail, and then they can go for a free plan or a professional or a pro plan. So that's what we are doing, and like the backend is done. Now we are working on the front end, like UI UX. We are improving the UI UX. I'm not liking this TU part. Let's just give a user icon there. Where is that TUT part? TUT part. Okay, user.name. In the Navbar part, bell icon is not required. Remove this bell icon. Remove this bell icon, not required. Okay. Yeah. Atharva Pathak. Are you a full-time dev or work somewhere or doing everything by own? I'm doing everything of my own. I'm a full stack developer. I had a job. I left my job. I used to work in a MNC as a Spring Boot developer. Joker Phoenix. Pro tip: open links through to stay safe. SSQRX to stay. Okay. Tarun. By the way, you should learn more into strict nature backend system and more demanding skills. Now, like Golang and Rust. I'll be starting on Golang since Rust is kind of hard. Okay, yeah, like in the stream when I start learning something new, I'll stream that also. Like when we build this, and when that business registration process will go on, then I'll not be able to stream, because then what will I show if the business is not registered? We cannot do anything after that, right? So I'm thinking that I will be learning something else, and then I'll be showing you that how I'm learning that. Kirtan, do you know how to extract container Docker code to your local environment? Extract Docker. Do you know how to extract container Docker code into your local? Yes, Lokesh. Good morning. Good morning, Lokesh. TUT part is reminding me of TUFTQ forward. Yeah, exactly. Let's remove this TUT part. This is, and we have this active badge. Okay. Fallback initials. Let's just add a user icon. Now it looks better. I like this one. और चिक्स कौन सी कंपनी में जॉब करते थे? मैं मैंने कंपनी 2 महीने पहले ही छोड़ी है, तो मैं अभी तो नाम नहीं बोल सकता क्योंकि NDA साइन किया है एंड ऑल दोज थिंग्स, सो आई कैन नॉट नेम द कंपनी, बट इट वॉज अ सर्विस बेस्ड कंपनी, नथिंग फैंसी. Service based company. It's an MNC. Shayan Ahmed, brother, where have you studied from? I completed my BTech from Sikkim Manipal Institute of Technology. Yeah, Lokesh, he completed my from Sikkim Manipal Institute of Technology. This account verified. Log out. Okay. And when I log out, am I able to access the dashboard? No, I'm not able to access dashboard. Very good. Test user2@gmail.com. Test user2. Verifying. And this payment, I should call it payouts. Close it. Sidebar. In this payment, we should call it payouts. Payout. Payouts. Yeah, call it payouts. Yep. Payouts. Okay. Now let's make the sidebar interesting. Sidebar. General. Sidebar. And in the layout, components, app, dashboard, layout. Okay. Bro, almost reveal the company name. और हिंट्स दे दो, गेस कर लेंगे, नाम मत बोलो. सर्विस बेस्ड कंपनी है. हिंट विंट जान. सर्विस बेस्ड कंपनी है, बस इतना ही बोलूँगा. अथर्व, योर फेवरेट fonts? I like Montserrat, I think. So you containerize this source code while production, you will pull the image while deployment. My question is, imagine you share your image to a person, can he decontainerize it? No, he cannot, because he will not have the access to my server. And like for Docker, we need the username, right? Docker username and email. Shayan Ahmed, hello Shayan, welcome to the stream. Is that so? What BTech was? What batch you were? Because my brother is 2022 batch. I completed my BTech in 2023. Kiran, hello bro. I'm in my first year of college. What to do? Learn one programming language, master it, like learn it properly, and then do 1 or 2 DSA questions every single day and make it a habit. Starting later. नहीं बोलूँगा मैं. Attorney, no. Lokesh, go to college, okay? Or chicks. I'll not answer all these company things. Atharva Pathak, which language do you know? I know JavaScript. Currently, we are working with TypeScript, JavaScript. Rohit, do you have LinkedIn? I don't use LinkedIn. Like, I have a profile in LinkedIn, but it's been years or ages. I think I last opened it 3 months ago. I don't open LinkedIn much. I don't even use LinkedIn. ऐप ही नहीं है मेरे पास LinkedIn का. Okay. Now let's work on the sidebar. Shedura. Macdon, what is your score? Score for what? Lokesh, guys, I know the company name, but I won't reveal. इतना तो बोल दे, मेरा लिखा हुआ नाम पे था or not? कुछ नहीं बोलूंगा और चिक्स में. लोकेश, साइड बार, लाइक्स बार और पब. जोकर फिनिक्स, अगर लिंक्डइन यूज कर दे तो पता. मैंने अपना लिंक्डइन अपडेट ही नहीं किया है, तो वहां पे भी पता कुछ चलेगा नहीं. दिकी 2004. ओके, वी हैव दिस. लेट्स वर्क ऑन साइड बार. उशून लाइफ रियलिटी, वेब डेवलपमेंट से पैसे कैसे कमाएं भाई? या तो जॉब लो या फ्रीलांसिंग प्रोजेक्ट्स उठाओ. एंड फ्रीलांसिंग प्रोजेक्ट्स के लिए यूज ऑन नेटवर्क, टेल योर फ्रेंड्स, फैमिलीज. ओके किरण, भाई रुको, वॉशरूम होके आता हूँ. ओके. आदित्य जादव, विच प्रॉब्लम इज योर SaaS सॉल्विंग? Like it's organizing the business for B2B appointment, like online businesses who gives one-on-one calls. It's for them. Ricky 2004. I already know the basics of web development and I have started learning Flutter. But in your opinion, which is better for learn React or Flutter? See, I know React because React is like I'm used to React now. But if you're starting out, you can go with React as well. But if you've already learned Flutter, that's fine. Stick with it. MacDon, which sites are the best to apply for off campus, except LinkedIn? We work remotely, that's the best thing. Then Angel List, remote work only, these websites are good. Ayan Khan, APJ School, yeah, that's my school name. Attorney, CG. Attorney, yeah, that's my CGPA. Whoa, you had 9, yeah man, I had 9.119 CGPA. यूजर भाई कौन सा एआई मॉडल यूज कर रहे हो करने वाले हो? ये तो एआई सैस है नहीं, तो इसमें एआई मॉडल यूज कर नहीं रहे. इट्स नॉट अ एआई सैस, इट्स अ सिंपल सैस. मैकडॉन रूब्रिक, व्हाट इज रूब्रिक? हाउ मच टाइम इट्स यू रिक्वायर टू लाफ टू लॉन्च दिस प्रोजेक्ट? हाउ मनी यू इन्वेस्ट इन इट? how much time it's you require like investment money? It will be a bootstrap and say B2B, so if businesses join then only this will generate revenue. Attorney, attorney 9.19 सपने में भी नहीं आया मुझे. It's a see, CGPA does not matter. अगर if you are going for off campus, nobody gives a shit about your CGPA, to be very honest. Lokesh, guys, I know everything about me. Knows everything about me. We both are stalkers, okay? Or 6, why using Next.js instead of React for frontend? Because I need the SEO capability. I want my, I want my SaaS to be listed on Google, and SEO as Next.js, has server-side rendering, so it helps in getting my SaaS registered, like listed in the Google search. Rohit, bro, BCA is okay. Yes, it is okay, but see, in many companies, what happens? People actually say that only for BTech students, minimum requirement BTech. So you cannot apply to those companies. But if your target is to get a good job in USA, UK, Canada, Australia, startups, that they actually pay a lot. So for them, your degree does not matter. So yeah, you can go for BCA. Lokesh, it will take around 2 weeks to complete. Currently working on MVP version, yes. And see, launching, I can only launch it once my business has been registered. Kiran, bro, are you a freelancer? Yes, I have worked as a freelancer. Kirtan, was your placement on campus? It was off campus. MacDon, from which year in college did you start dev? I started in 2020. Now I know your company name. Okay. कितना साल जॉब किया था? और चिक्स, जॉब तो मैंने अराउंड 1 साल किया है, लाइक एक एमएनसी में. ओके, damn, the LinkedIn PFP has some Rizzler in it. Okay. Rizzler, what is a Rizzler? दीपक, 1 year 3 month जॉब किया था. ओके. Deep, Lokesh, who are you? Lokesh is one of the oldest subscribers, and he's also a member of this channel. Deepak, hello Deepak, bro. मैं YouTube से कोडिंग सीख रहा हूँ, पर मेरी कंसिस्टेंसी नहीं रहती है. तो मैं लग रहा है कि कोई लाइव ऑनलाइन कोर्स लेनी चाहिए, बिकॉज यूट्यूब से कंसिस्टेंसी नहीं रहती. हाँ, अगर इफ यू आर नॉट एबल टू बी कंसिस्टेंट विद यूट्यूब वीडियोज, देन यू शुड गो विद अ लाइव, टेक अ कोर्स. Because when you pay for something, you actually become accountable for it. So if you find a good course, go for it. Attorney, Rizzler is someone who can pull chicks easily. कहाँ से? Like how, attorney? How? FNK Gamer, hello FNK Gamer, welcome to the stream, bro. मेरे साथ एक प्रॉब्लम एवरी टाइम होती है कि मैं कुछ भी न्यू स्किल पे वर्क करता हूँ तो तभी कॉलेज एग्जाम में सबमिशन आ जाते हैं. ठीक है, वो आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड, बट आप जब कॉलेज एग्जाम नहीं रहते तब आप क्या करते हो? आयन खान, आप गूगल में वेब डेव को लीड रहोगे तो जॉब तो बढ़िया ही मिलेगा. Ayan Khan. आई एम सी एम फाउंडर ऑफ प्रोजेक्ट एलेट और एल टी ओके. जॉब के साथ साथ ही कर लेते हैं मॉर्निंग में जॉब. एक्चुअली मैंने जॉब सी मेरी जॉब लाइक मैं सर्विस बेस्ड कंपनी में था. देयर वाज नो फ्री टाइम लाइक you know it was a toxic culture. The working environment was not so good, and you know like there was no work life balance, and my goal has always been to build my startup, right? So I need time, and even if they gave Saturday and Sundays, I would still be doing a job. But even on Saturday Sundays, they did not give me any time, so I left my job. Filmmaker 2K, great. McDonald, were you consistent in dev since past 6 years? Like on and off, but I've been consistent in dev for last after 2023, 2022. I've been consistent. SMIT का रिजलर. लोकेश. Lokesh, Anaton Abhishek bro can pull chicks and baddies with his singing. Man, Lokesh and attorney, you know the members of my channel are pulling my leg. Shabir Khan, actually I'm new sir. मैं Asus VBook 16 परचेज करने वाला हूँ, तो ये अच्छा हो सकता है कोडिंग के लिए. Asus प्लीज़. ओके एक सेकेंड, क्या था? Asus Vivo 16. Asus I don't know man, वो मैंने कभी यूज़ किया नहीं है, so I cannot comment on it. मेरा I like the laptop that I am using. It is HP laptop 15X. Sham Gupta, hello Sham, welcome to the stream. Is cohort 3.0 Sharian course is good? Any suggestions? Actually I don't know because I have not seen that course and I did not enroll in it, so I don't know how is that cohort. Maybe you can research about it, try to see reviews and all, and or you can compare this with other cohorts. Aditya Jadhav, how you discover this problem that you are solving? Yes, there are existing players in in the market, and I did a market research stream. If you go to my YouTube channel, there's this, you can find a YouTube I have I did market research, and that stream is there. So we actually I'm new sir. Actually I have not used Vivo 16, so I don't know. किरण, कॉलेज के फर्स्ट ईयर में तो ये लोग केमिस्ट्री पढ़ा रहे हैं. हाँ, सी कॉलेज के फर्स्ट ईयर फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड सेम दे विल रिपीट केमिस्ट्री फिजिक्स ऑफ 11-12. सबीर खान, एक्चुअली आई एम न्यू सर. ओके. अटर्नी, सैयारा एंड तेरी मेरी तेरी वीवो मेक्स लैपटॉप. किरण, ओके मैंने सोचा था कि यहाँ पे मज़ा आएगा, पर ये लोग ज़िंदगी नरक. हाँ, फर्स्ट ईयर कॉलेज का बीटेक का फर्स्ट ईयर टाइम पास होता है. मैकडॉन, आई एम ओके, गुड फॉर यू मैकडॉन. आदित्य, हाउ यू डिस्कवर दिस प्रॉब्लम? आई आंसर दैट. ओके लोकेश. कीर्तन, ब्रो हैव यू डन MCA? आई डिड बीटेक. मैकडॉन नीड्स okay, so let's get back to coding now. Okay, so this is the layout.tsx. This is the sidebar.tsx. कौन सा बेस्ट होगा आप प्लीज सर बोलो. सबीर खान, व्हाट्स योर बजट? आपका बजट कितना लैपटॉप का, तब मैं बोल पाऊंगा आपके बजट रेंज में सबसे अच्छा कौन सा रहेगा. किरण, विच इज अ लैपटॉप बैटरी बैकअप? व्हाट इट इज गुड. लोकेश, व्हाट्स योर बास्केट फॉर लैपटॉप? बास्केट बजट, या यू कैन शेयर अ बजट, देन वी कैन से. साइड बार. ओके, साइड बार. The cleaner, I have added background color to a crisp and remove the generic muted. Dashboard pop. Okay. Oh, I'm gonna reveals premium task tooltip. Okay, let's go with the sidebar. This is the sidebar. Yeah, this is the sidebar here. Comment this and put this here and come here. Let's see what we get. Okay, dashboard organize. Nice. If I go here, services, this, 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 and this. Okay, okay, we'll see more. And if we come here and make the cursor pointer, we need the cursor pointer. Make this class name cn cursor pointer. Sabir Khan, please sir, suggest me under 70k. Under 70k, you can go for the laptop that I am using, HP Laptop 15X. Serious advice, Keithan. Serious advice for first year students. Start learning AI and make good projects. By the time you graduate, companies mostly expect you to know AI ML. Good point. MacDon. For on campus placement, DSA is the key. Yes. FNK Gamer. Paid course, I think Code with Harry data science course is really good for crack entry level job. Okay. Kiran. Bro, what's your age? Kiran, I'm 25 years old. MacDon. All the top competitive programmers from my college got placed in best companies like Zomato, Meesho, etc. Okay. Attorney, maybe 200 days and my placement will be started. Meesho. See, Meesho is a product based company, so it's nice. Maybe 200 days and my placement will be started. Okay, all the best for your placements, attorney. We have this billing. Maybe make the billing part a bit better. Okay, we can fix this. Hold on. So now for the layout, this is the sidebar, and let's go for the layout. Compiling. Okay. Support main menu. Kiran, just joking, bro. Okay. MacDon, Kiran CTC of Misho was 57 lakhs. Okay, attorney got a try for off campus. Attorney, for off campus, make good projects and make sure to deploy those projects. And like your project should look like products. आयन खान, मैं तो सुबह तक जगूंगा, देखते हैं जिंजर हेड क्या करता है साढ़े पाँच बजे. क्या बोला जिंजर हेड ने? होल्ड ऑन, लेट्स सी व्हाट इज हैपनिंग. ऐसा क्या बोल दिया जिंजर हेड ने? Notifications. Off campus, okay. Ethan, okay. Ginger head is getting me no. Yeah, okay. What does that mean? McDonald, what are the resume requirement for making companies? Make it short, precise. List your projects. If you don't have working experience, list your projects and detailed. Give detailed explanation of your projects and give different types of projects. That is the first thing, and list your skills obviously, and that's it. I'll just find my own job, open source. Okay, nice. Okay, what's coming next? Lokesh, Rapido new feature was okay. Attorney, what if I'm not into WebD? Then whatever your skill is, build projects on that skill. Sabir Khan, actually I want to learn in Python, so first SMS is JavaScript basic जरूरी है क्या या नहीं? What are you learning Python? If your goal is to get into web development with Python as your backend language, then yes, you have to learn HTML, JavaScript because that's the fundamentals. And if your goal is AI/ML, then you can skip HTML and CSS, and later you can learn JavaScript. Kiran, does SaaS product really matter like lovable to crack 20 LPA jobs if I was no system design? See, system design is good. आयन खान मेरा कमेंट बार बार डिलीट क्यों हो रहा है? कौन सा कमेंट डिलीट हुआ? आयन खान लोकेश इट्स शोइंग हाउ मेनी कैप्टन रिजेक्टेड आर राइट. मेरा पिन ट्वीट में है. अच्छा ओके. निहाल यस. व्हाट यस निहाल? Nihal, I need payment gateway. I applied in Razorpay, but he rejected and say he went registration. Like you are going for Razorpay X. I am gambling DS. Okay. And Khan, I said look on Truth Social. Okay. Yeah. Truth Social. What is Truth Social? Truth Social. Okay. What is this Truth Social? Is an American consumer all tech social platform launched in by Trump and media technology. से बात नहीं हुआ, श्री पर नहीं देखूंगा, क्या पता क्या पॉप आउट हो जाए. Hey everyone, starting my friend's resume is okay. I said okay. Keith, do you have stream where you learn a new tech stack? अभी तक तो नहीं. Like when I start learning new things, I'll stream that as well. In case only Razorpay X needs company registration for normal, you don't need any. Yes, exactly. Trump का social media app है. अच्छा okay. किरण भाई गैस भेज दो जल्दी से. What's going on in my Discord? Anything interesting? Nothing interesting. Anything here? Anything here? Check personal. Okay, fine. We have this. Got it. Design an ER for fitness app coaching platform covering user. Okay. Ayush Yadav. एडम वॉथन कौन है पता नहीं. Today India takes a definite step in civil nuclear journey, advancing its second stage in nuclear of its. Damn bro. Design the product fast breeder reactor. More fuel than it consumes. Reflects the depth of scientific capability. Nice. My cleans. Nihal, I want Razorpay API for using in my project as a payment registration. That's why I apply my business. Reject my applied. I received call. He said he need. Okay. मैकडॉन ब्रो घर पर सिलेंडर खत्म हो गया है. अच्छा कि ग्रॉक धोनी एंड ब्रेविस नियर रिटर्न टू CSK आइज फर्स्ट. नाइस. धोनी इज रिटर्निंग. ओके सो विद दिस नाउ लेट्स गेट बैक टू. काफ़ी डिस्ट्रैक्शन हो गया. ओके वी हैव दिस एंड इन द बुकिंग पेज व्हाट इज द इशू. Okay, billing, payouts, integrations. Support account. Okay. How do you learn new tech stack? Is it videos? Is it docs? Or is it? See, previously when AI was not there, what I used to do first, I used to watch videos, then I used to code along with it. Now what I do, I read documentation, then I go to ChatGPT, and then I tell ChatGPT to teach me. That's how I do. For example, if I show you my Claude chat, recently I learned how to write production grade code with AI. What I did is I went to Claude and I asked Claude this. Just a sec. I'll show how I learned writing production grade code. If I go here, see, my skills are, I gave my skills. My skills are this. I know how to write code. I want to learn how to write production level code, how to structure the code, and how to structure the code base. I want to learn how to write code like a senior backend engineer. That's what I typed. Okay. Lokesh, Thala is back. Okay. Which team is leading an IPL? I don't know. Since Thala is back, I will eat thali now. Render build. How many years of experience do you have? Working experience, just 1 year. Lokesh. Okay. Coder YouTuber. Hi. Hello, Coder YouTuber. Welcome to the stream. MacDon. So, how I use AI is that I listed my skill, then it gave me a structure how to write, production grade code. This should be the folder structure. Then it gave me examples of code, and then I went to Notion. Then I made a note of it. So that using this, I learned how to write production grade code. Now I need to just implement it and practice it. Maybe in the next, after we build this SaaS, we'll try to learn, improve our backend skills. I'll try to improve my backend skills. So I'll show you how I'm improving my backend skills. Okay. MacDon. Can't recall the last time I enjoyed watching IPL, probably more than 10 years. Okay, render build. Working on this full time or along with the job? I left my job, render build. I had a job, I left my job. Shubham Mishra, RR looking solid this year. Okay. This is done. Make the sidebar and layout UI better and make the UX smoother and better. Why? That takes guts. That's really, I hope, make it big. Thanks, render build. Thanks a lot. You okay? Ultra smooth, active link indicating haptic style hover effects, custom scroll bar. We need, okay. Then now, sheet of paper sitting on a high and background. Design sidebar allows to separate elements. Okay, let's see. This is the sidebar. Copy the sidebar here. This is the sidebar for now. This here, get Coder YouTuber. Abhishek, keep going. Thanks, Coder YouTuber. Attorney, gotta sleep now. Good night. Good night, Attorney, and thanks for joining the stream. MacDon, which is better, Google or Microsoft? In which terms? Shubham Mishra, bro, can you done your SaaS by reading this month? By ending this month? Maybe. I think we can do that. Oh, it looks like an island now. Nice. Settings. Okay, go to billings, payment, integration. Okay, dashboard looks nice. Okay, that's great. It looks nice. And here we can sidebar. Hold on. Menu items button here. Cursor pointer. Cursor. Add this here. Very good. It looks nice. Fine. And hold on. It is not center. Okay. Shwetank. Hello Shwetank, welcome to the stream. Bhaiya, now how to work as a software engineer in other countries, not as a fresher, but like what's the process? Build a good resume, build a very good project, like your project is what matters, and then go to we work remotely, Angel List, or Twitter. You can use Twitter as well. Abhishek, did you stop working on Spring Boot? Like I left my job and since then I have not been working on Spring Boot. Maybe in future we'll use. See, for Spring Boot it is better if you have a team because Spring Boot is a bit heavy for a solo developer. Ayn Khan, how much did you study in college like per day? I did not study much. I used to study just before exams. मैकडॉन ब्रो 10K आईपी टीचर की याद आ गई सिर्फ बेसिक HTML टैग्स पढ़कर ऐसे लगता था कि कितना नॉलेज है अब पता लगता है ओके आई कैन अंडरस्टैंड मैकडॉन मेरी भी 10th में आईटी थी सो या लोकेश ब्रो लेक्स फ्रीडमैन वाचिंग हिज कंटेंट सिंस लास्ट फ्यू डेज बहुत मस्त है या लेक्स फ्रीडमैन का पॉडकास्ट काफ़ी सही सी माई फेवरेट entrepreneur is Pavel Durov. He's the founder of he's the founder and CEO of Telegram, and I watched his podcast with Alex Friedman, and that's really good. That's one of the best podcasts that I ever seen. Shwetank, what was your CGPA, bhaiya? My CGPA was 9.19. My bookings, integration, billings, and dashboard. Okay, fine. Now let's go to the layout part. Let's see how the layout part looks. Layout. This and put this here. And this is the layout. It is compiling. आयन खान मेरा आईपी टीचर सिर्फ मुझे ही टारगेट करता था क्योंकि टकले सर को सिर्फ मैं ही जवान देता था ओके टेलीग्राम सीईओ लुक्स लाइक सम हॉलीवुड एक्टर ब्रो ही इज रियल ग्रीक गॉड या ही इज गुड लुकिंग ओके या नाउ इट लुक्स नाइस सी डैम नाउ इट लुक्स नाइस इट्स लाइक एन आइलैंड एक्चुअली लुक्स गुड now it does not look like an MVP now. Billing. Nice. Love it. Just loved it. Seriously, I love it. Put this here. Okay. And here also this in sidebar. Just as I need to check one thing that if I log out. And if I log out and if I try to access the dashboard again, we are getting back to log out. Okay, test user 2 @gmail.com. Let's go for test user 11 @gmail.com. Test user 11. Okay. लोकेश, मेरी इंग्लिश टीचर ने मेरे को एक निकनेम दिया है मस्त वाला. क्या है? Island. It is an island design. See, it looks like a different. It is separated components. See Navbar. It looks like a separate component. Then dashboard page looks like a separate component. Then this sidebar looks like a separate component. श्वेतांक, लाइव क्लास के बीच अभी ऐड आ गया. वेट फर्स्ट टाइम ऐसा देखा. अच्छा ओके. हार्दिक मिश्रा, स्मूथ यूएक्स. थैंक्स हार्दिक. थैंक्स अ लॉट. So UI part. Now we are working on this. Test user 11. Let's create an organization for this. And this is create first organization, and in the organization page Lokesh QT nice. Okay, backend components, and we need to go to app dashboard organizations page. Okay, there I need for this one. We have this create first organization, and here okay. So now if I go to my components, where's my component organization components, create org dialog, and we can copy this. Just copy this part, come here, and in this page here, button, put this here. Oh, not here, not size, keep it like this. Class name, put this, and see, now it will create first organization. Very good. Service organizations, but here in services, payouts, billing, okay. Sabir Khan, yes bro, interested in web development, तो क्या ये best way to grow, but I'm confused. AI doing something, so the reason is confusing. If your interest is web development with Python, learn Python, then start learning Django. Spend most of your time learning Django. Then after you learn Django, then learn JavaScript as a programming language. Then learn HTML. Then basics of CSS, not too deep. Then get into React. This makes you a full stack developer. Then build projects to improve your skills. Nitin, I'm newbie. Where do I start? As I know just C program and I know R program. Where should I start? Do all these. Start learning JavaScript first, Nitin. Lokesh, आज अल्लू अर्जुन का बर्थडे है. हैप्पी बर्थडे अल्लू अर्जुन. कोडा यूट्यूबर. Thanks for the emojis, Coder YouTuber. Okay. And services part. Okay. Okay. Let's create a organization. Test user 11. Organization 1. Create workspace created. Go to service. Yeah, go to services. No service found. Create a service. Basic info. What service should we create? One-on-one. One-on-one mindset coaching call. This is a 30 minutes mindset coaching call where Coder, drink water abhi. Thanks Coder, but thanks for reminding. Dream, hello Dream, welcome to the stream. How are you? This is a 30-minute one-on-one coaching call where I understand your current mindset, and then I help you improve your mindset. Duration 30. Price cannot be negative, right? We have to fix that also. Hello Lokesh, message retracted. Okay. Price, let's keep it 2300 rupees. Make it online. Launch service. Edit. Fine. Updated. Let's make it to 1.9. Save changes. Okay. Then let's make availability for Monday. Let's make it to not 9. Let's make it 11 to 7. Confirm slot. And for now, let's copy this to all the weekdays. Copy to all the weekdays. Okay. And only for Saturday, we work on evening or morning slot. 9 to 1. Not 9. Let's make it 10 to 1. Confirm slot. Fine. Then any bookings, no booking. Integrations. Let's integrate. For this, go with this. Continue. Have this. Payouts. Add bank details. We can do this later. Billing. Upgrade to pro. Support. Okay. Now if someone comes here, copy this and close this. If someone comes here and Here if someone gives this URL, we reach this verified merchant, click this 20-second 30-minute slot, so that's why 30 minutes. Oh, very good. 2:30. Abhishek Sharma, Abhi10 Sheikh Sharma @gmail.com. Nitin, I saw some videos too. What is this anti-gravity and Claude AI thing? I just saw and got demotivated. See, don't get demotivated. See, anti-gravity and Claude, they are AI coding agents where they can write entire code for you, but you still need to understand the code so that you can use them properly. Go to YouTuber. Sweet dreams, see you tomorrow. Sweet dreams, Coder YouTuber, and good night. Have a good night. Dream XD. How are you? I'm good, Dream XD. How are you, man? Now let's confirm and pay. Now let's go to okay. 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 Mm-mm. इतना बत तुझको कैलकुलेटर 1 1 2 3 प्लस 8% ऑफ 1 1 2 3 एक सेकेंड 8% ऑफ 1 1 2 3 159 159 1 1 2 3 159 158 यहाँ पे कितना आ रहा है 2 ओके सो that 8% is getting added, but this is not the issue. This has to be this one. It's nice dream. So for now, go to UPI, success, Razorpay. This. Now if I come here, availability, we got this booking. And if I go to the email, now we have to see if we got the email or not. Just a sec. If I go here and I go to Gmail, and go here, and if I show you guys, here we got the email. This one, 0 minutes ago. Yep. So now if I go here, okay, this is done. This is done. Okay, add price details to 1,999 for product charges. Total is like this. Yeah, we have to add that. Dream, do you get dreams? Okay, we have this. So we are done with this. But the thing is, actually, from the customer side, we don't need to add extra. From the business side, we have to add that, right? So that is what we have to do. We have to fix that. So this thing is done. Add bank account. Yes. User 11 445556778899 अकाउंट. ओके IFSC कोड डालना है तो यहाँ पे क्या है भाई? IFSC कोड दे दे भाई. यही 111233445566. random bank name new 2 random branch 2. Confirm. Yeah, this is done. Now edit Yeah, same. Okay. Instead of 0, make it J. Confirm payout details. J. Fine. This is done. The billing part. Okay, fine. This is working. All right. We have this. Just a sec. Okay, so this is done. Close this, close this, close this. Okay, fine, done. All right, everyone. I think I'll wrap up now. Just a sec. I'll commit the code. Google link and calendar bug fixed. UI slash UX improved. Commit. Here we'll push the code. Here we push the code. Fine. Close it. Then here we have this. We can close it. And here we have this. We can close it. Yes. Close this. Here. Close this. Close this. And let's check my Twitter once. Anything I missed. Lokesh, chalo bye. Good night. Take care, bro. Good night, Lokesh. And thanks for joining the stream. Just the link. Okay. Fine. We have this as well. Alright, everyone. I'll wrap up now. And thanks for joining the stream. If you enjoyed the stream, do consider subscribing to this channel and drop a like. And I'll see you in the next stream. Until then, take care of yourself. Bye.